My balls hurt.
Hello?
Hello? Who is this? Is Sean there?
Yes?
That's Sean.
Ah, shit! I mean, let me talk to him.
Dude, that's Sean.
This is Sean.
He sounds
Sean.
like shit.
Yes, Sean. This is Sean. That's you.
Yeah.
You sound like a woman.
Uh-huh.
Do you know who this is?
No.
This is the guy that you slept with 3 days ago.
Who is this?
Waldo.
Very funny.
Yes, it is funny. It was funny when you were screaming and my dick was in your asshole!
Really, who is this?
This is Waldo.
Waldo Beans.
Waldo Beans. My name is Waldo Beans.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Hello, I can't hear you. You sound like you have a pussy. Bitch. Dude, he hung up.